We know from many years of field experience that any manually pre-authorised after-sales service can be costly, resource-heavy, and offer poor levels of customer satisfaction. We know that a manual process can be prone to error, often results in disputes over terms and price, and can lead to delays in payment. We understand the pain involved, whether you're a leasing company, run a dealer network, or operate a fleet of vehicles, whether you offer insurance, maintenance, or repair services. Wherever you are in the loop, we know that you need that quantum leap forwards. A leap benefiting everyone: fleet managers, technicians, repairers, and most importantly, your end customers. What if you could authorise your SMR work, your tyre replacements, your body repairs automatically, using data direct from manufacturers and recognised industry sources, while maintaining accurate vehicle history, with fully pre-reconciled dematerialised electronic invoicing, supported by fully logged online chat in real time? The benefits of Athoris are real. Substantially higher automated approval rates requiring little or no manual intervention, boosting workshop throughput, eradicating disputed payments, shortening the time to payment, providing a great customer service. A multi-brand, multi-market authorisation platform recommended by the vehicle manufacturers, leasing companies and repairer networks, controlling the flow of key information while reducing potentially costly errors and disputes, delivering significant business efficiency and administration cost savings. Athoris uses a simple price per transaction model, which represents a fraction of the cost of manual authorisation. A streamlined, easy-to-use interface with a supporting, comprehensive business intelligence reporting tool providing real insight into your in-life vehicle management. A proactive approach to business improvement with new features constantly under development, and help desk support, local language specialists and account managers supporting you at every step, connecting everyone in the loop, seamlessly, electronically, every touch point covered. Take the leap. Talk to Athoris now.